Best deals.
1. Chopper. Equipped with 8 stainless steel blades arranged in a unique 4-layer design, it delivers unmatched chopping performance. Whether you are preparing meals for family gatherings, this electric chopper turns ingredients into perfectly sized pieces with ease. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Chopper. Prioritizes safety with a motor mount switch, perfect for those seeking reliable and secure kitchen accessories items. Chopper offers 2 speed options, including turbo mode, all powered by a robust 260W 100% copper motor. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Chopper. Features a unique dual bowl design, allowing you to effortlessly switch between tasks. Crush garlic in one bowl, then seamlessly transition to another ingredient without the need for washing in between, has intuitive one-touch operation. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Garlic mincer. Equipped with high-quality, BPA-free material and food-grade sharp stainless steel blades that efficiently and effectively chop various food items, ensuring smooth and consistent results. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Electric chopper. USB chopper comes with a powerful 30-watt motor, very sharp 304 stainless steel blades, and will provide excellent performance. You can quickly process most of the ingredients in 10 to 30 seconds. Chopper is rechargeable from any electric plug point and has a long-lasting 1300 mAh lithium-ion battery. The food chopper electric can be fully charged in 3 to 4 hours. With one full charge you can use this device for up to 30 times. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Handy chopper. The sharp stainless steel blades are fast to chop and mince. The bowl is BPA-free and safe for containing food. No electricity required. The bowl and the blades can be separated so the chopper can be convenient to be washed. Cleaning is an easy task using mild detergent as chopper dishwasher safe. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Chopper. Made from safe, non-toxic, non-carcinogenic materials, thus they do not release harmful chemicals to food or liquid contents, crafted from superior quality blades, with classic round seal are liquid tight and can be kept in any position. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Electric vegetable chopper. It is used for liquids such as butter, buttermilk, beating egg, beating coffee, lassi, curd etc. Push button start and stop. Chopping blade can be used for meat mincing as well. Just add some boneless meat and use the chopper in the same way. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Chopper. Multi-purpose splash guard cover, which can be used as a container after chopping. Chop vegetables evenly without mush, mince garlic and herbs in seconds and puree ingredients into tasty dressings and sauces. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Chopper. Versatile kitchen tool that can chop a variety of foods like garlic, onion, ginger, peppers, vegetables, minced meat, hard cheeses, and even make baby food. Motor unit made of high-quality ABS plastic body for durable use. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Chopper. Can be used for chopping meat, fish, vegetables, cheese, nuts, fruits or making salad, guacamole and baby food, ideal choice for preparing meals for gatherings. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Push chopper. Built-in chop bowl lets you cut foods directly into the 900 ml collection tray without the mess of a knife and cutting board. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Push chopper. It's perfect for slicing vegetable and fruit salads, cutting tomatoes, onions, garlics, herbs for soups, pesto, hummus, salsa, guacamole, and more. Chopper is portable and compact enough for all kitchens large or small. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Chopper. It comes with food-grade poly carbonate bowl and rust-resistant stainless blades for better functioning and longer life. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Blender. Being lightweight and wireless, makes the juicer easily portable to any desired place. Clear 450 ml jar not only makes it handy but also gives a stylish trendy look to carry around. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. String Vegetable Chopper. Comes with 5 sharp cutting blades made of stainless steel which are anti-rust. These 5 blades are placed in different directions and levels inside the chopper to cover the entire height of the jar and ensure fine chopping. Comes with a transparent jar, thus making it easy and convenient. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Electric Chopper. Instantly process small quantities of food with multi-purpose electric chopper having 300 W powerful copper motor. It can chop vegetables, nuts, fruits and whisk eggs, cream as per desired consistency and helps avoid overheating of motor. 800 ml break-resistant polycarbonate bowl gives you a good working capacity for your needs. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Electric Chopper. Blender can be recharged in multiple ways and comes with a long-lasting 1200 mAh lithium-ion battery. The chopper is strong and durable. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Chopper. Just press a button, and the powerful blades spring into action, effortlessly chopping your ingredients to perfection. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Electric Wireless Chopper. Chopper is compact, lightweight, and perfect for travel. You can carry this rechargeable chopper in your backpack or suitcase very easily. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Slicer. Unique design enlarges cutting area and helps complete cutting. Every time you slap the chopper dicer, the sharp tools will rotate 24 degrees to ensure chopping thoroughly. Even fewer ingredients can be chopped finer. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Chopper. It is durable and ideal for home kitchens, camping, traveling, and professional use. With our premium lightweight electric chopper, you can always enjoy efficiency and maximum result. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Portable Blender. Being light, also lets you stay light on weight. Clear food grade BPA-free jar with 450 ml capacity makes it truly a handy juice blender. Crafted with safety in mind, blender features a secure seal to prevent leaks and is constructed with BPA-free materials. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Blender. Compact and lightweight, it easily fits in your backpack, gym bag, or car cup holder. With a powerful 4000 mAh battery, it can be fully charged in just 3 to 5 hours via Type-C charging. Enjoy the convenience of blending your favorite drinks anytime, anywhere. The blender for smoothie and juices is made of BPA-free. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Chopper. The handy onion cutter is equipped with unique string function that helps to chop vegetables, fruits, spices, nuts, and sauces. Just pull the string to initiate the chopping. It's equipped with 3 sharp stainless steel blades that makes the cutting and chopping experience easy and fast. Product link is given in the 25th link. Thanks for watching.